Hello guys, I am in a bitter leaf farm in Nnewi Anambra State, Nigeria. Sometime last year or last 2 years I showed you guys this farm, so I came back again to know how they are doing, and guess what? The farm even got bigger. The farm has got bigger. This guy is doing a great job here, guys. This bitter leaf farm is massive. You can see there, he's watering the bitter leaves. You know, we're now in dry season, so they water the bitter leaves all the time so that they don't die. So I will take you guys around the farm once again. Let's see how it's going. Stay tuned. Yeah. So guys, this is the brother to the owner of this farm, and I would like to ask him 1 or 2 questions so that he will tell us about this business. So guys, how far? How is it going?
It's going well.
Yeah, you guys are doing a wonderful job over here. So we just came here and we saw you watering the bitter leaves. So how often do you guys water these bitter leaves? How often do you do it? Is it every day?
No, sometimes every day, but normally 2 times, like 2 days. Every 2 days.
Okay, every 2 days you water it. That's for dry season.
Yeah.
What about rainy season?
We don't water during rainy season.
Okay, rain season, the rainfall does the watering for you guys. Yeah. Wow. That's amazing. That's super amazing. But between dry season and rainy season, when do you guys produce more bitter leaves?
During rainy season.
Okay, rainy season.
But dry season is our season. It's when the bitter leaves gets more expensive.
Okay, because it's now the a period of scarcity for the bitter leaf.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
During rainy season, every year, even level land,
you get it anywhere. But during dry season, it's those that are into the business proper that will have it. That's quite amazing. So these bitter leaves now, where are your customers? Those that buy from you, are you from you guys? Where are they based? Is it just in Nnewi or just Anambra State?
It's just in Nnewi.
Just in Nnewi here.
Yeah.
So, but I heard him saying that he do export to other states.
That is the stem.
You say?
The stem.
Okay, the stem, not the leaves.
Yeah.
Okay. But what if someone in Abuja or Lagos now wants to buy from you guys the leaves?
Yeah.
Can you guys also export that one?
Can export that one.
What of from across Nigeria?
We can. But now, you know, the situation of Nigeria.
Okay.
It is very expensive to export outside the country.
Outside the country. Okay. All the tariffs that will be paid. Oh wow.
It is very expensive. So due to too much of money to do that thing, some people won't bother again.
To buy. Oh, that's quite sad. Well, the economy has been affecting almost everything in the country, so I don't expect this business to be different. The water is pouring away. Okay, I want to off it. Okay, I want to join that pipe. Okay. So he just offed the other pipe from that side, the other hose from that side, and he's now here to water this side. Wow, that's you guys have a good connection, like all these hoses. The way you guys connected everything is nice. And this water is coming from that stream, so you guys don't even pay for water. Wow. This must be a very lucrative business. Like, I'm interested though. I'm interested in the business. You don't spend on water just like to cultivate the stems and then be taking care of it. Wow. So what is the biggest challenge you guys are facing doing this business?
Nothing much.
Nothing much?
Yeah, like the one challenge that I know is about sharing manure.
Okay, the manure.
Yeah.
Okay, is it getting it? Is it buying it?
Getting it.
Okay.
Sometimes start.
So where do you guys get it from?
From
Ozobolo. That's from poultry farms, right?
Yeah.
And those that have piggeries, those that rear pigs.
Yeah, pigs.
Oh, that's nice. That's super nice. So like now, all these bitter leaf now, one full sack now. Like how much do you guys sell one full sack?
Bucket.
Okay, you guys sell in buckets.
Yeah.
Okay, one full bucket is how much?
Now is about 10,000.
10,000 naira.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What was the price in the rainy season?
Anything you can get it highest price then will be 4 or 3,000.
3,000. The highest. Wow.
Because you can get it from anywhere.
Anywhere.
The one that you have in your backyard will be ready by then. Because rain will be falling on it all the time.
Okay.
But during this dry season,
You can't get it.
yeah,
That household one will be scarce. It will now be only in the hands of those that are into the business proper, those that have farm for it. That's quite nice. From 4,000, 3,000 to 10,000. Man, this is a good business, guys. This is a good. There is money in agriculture. So I keep telling our people, those that have the access, the resources, the land, should just venture into agriculture and start producing things they have comparative advantage to produce. You know, we must not depend on other regions or other countries to be supplying us all these products now. This is a good business. This is a good business. You can see how massive this farm is. Are you done with this side?
No.
Okay. And I think I can see other leaves too, other vegetables.
Yeah. Scent leaf.
Okay, this one is scent leaf.
Yes.
And I think I saw vegetable water leaf.
Even green.
Okay, green too. Oh. So guys, you have seen it all. You have seen it all. Agriculture is a good business, guys. If you have what it takes, the land, the initiative, the resources, you can just venture into agriculture. You can venture into it. Agriculture is not just for villagers. It's not a job for timid people. You know, that's the mentality that people in Africa, in Nigeria do have, but then it's wrong. It's wrong. So, thank you. Till we see again next time.